This other question or comment. Sorry, in the first comment I wrote that the burnt area formed a crust. I mixed up language. I meant formed a scab. Got the glasses somewhere else. Formed a scab. Okay. PS. The Nivea soy serum with hyaluronic acid was then new, and I used the serum from the first chemical formulation in 50 ml pump bottle. The Nivea changed the formulation for the worst in my opinion and packaged it in 40 ml pump bottle. Was it related to plasma, monster, pain effective? I don't know how to answer that question. I haven't got or opinion or whatever. I just don't know. Let's go to the next one. So now, bom dia. Se me hace muy importante, puede traducirlo en español. Se lo agradecería mucho. Bendiciones. Cada video tiene los subtítulos y podéis cambiar el idioma como queráis. Podéis cambiar el idioma en chino, portugués, lo que queráis, sin problema. Entonces no tenemos que traducirlo, simplemente vais a los subtítulos, vais a los settings y les vais a cambiar el idioma. Lo podéis hacer con cualquier video en YouTube de nuestro canal, porque ya tenemos muchos suscriptores. Why have you got music playing? So annoying. Oh yes indeed. Let's have a look at what is it. Oh yes. This is something that we've changed basically. I'm actually our very nice video editor already knows that I get annoyed by background music a lot, so it's gonna be yeah. Then this is that comment. Where are you?